Okay, the next the 5-pack is the car meat 5-pack, which everyone's raving about, or has, because of the Chevy. Let's get her open. '99 Ford Mustang. And a metallic grey or dark grey. It's was it collies? I think on the side there or something. Anyway, you guys can see it, you guys can read it. That one's alright. This next one I'm a bit, undecided on. I'm not a huge fan of it. It's the Mitsubishi Eclipse concept car with the light bar. Yeah, I don't know if it's something I'm gonna keep. It doesn't look very appealing. It's very boring, and yeah, I think it's a miss for me. I think. But anyway, apparently that's the security's car. Yeah, I don't think I'd drive that if I was security. Alright, let's pass on that one. We'll go to the next one when I get it out. Take that one away, and put that there. It's going to fall off. That can stay. That was the BMW M3 in white with the red, blue and light blue stripes on it. It's got the little BMW badge at the front there in the bonnet. No headlight details or front end, no back end details. But, overall, yeah, car's okay. I'll display that one. Subaru Impreza WRX, unknown of year. I do not know what year that is. Sort of, I don't know. I really don't know what year. 90s or something, maybe. 2000 something. I don't know. You guys would know if you like Subarus. But yeah, colour's good. They've even done a little opening for the scoop, so that goes through to the engine bay there. Good. Got sort of grey interior, grey or black. Got racing seats in there. So yeah, pretty good. No front or rear details on it, just side. Okay, now everyone's favourite, the 55 gasser. Hot Wheels drag strip. Yeah, it looks good. I don't mind having the chrome interior on something like this. You can kind of get away with it because, yeah, they had, well, yeah, it wasn't chrome, but they'd have a lot of aluminium inside, just because of lightweight. But, yeah, you can kind of get away with it on this. But, yeah, that's the fave out of the 5-pack. That was the Hot Wheels Car Meat 5-pack. Yeah, new release, or 2017 copyright date, but yeah, it would have been 2018 that it would have been released. Okay, that's it for the moment. I'll end that video here. But I hope you enjoyed. That was all the 5-packs in these previous in these 5 videos that I've just done. I've still got more to crack open, but at the moment that's all you're getting. Okay, there is a bug on there that's going to climb under the car by the looks of it. That's climbing under the wheel. There we go. You dirty bug. Things you get when you're outside. He's gone. Alright, see you all later.